Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in this video I will be creating this look that you guys see here, and it will be a chit chat. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep watching. Your girl is back with another video. So I'm gonna start off by doing my brows first because I always do my brows first. So I'm just gonna use my Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil in number 4. I know my brows are like all over the place. If I moved up closer, like they're growing like crazy ever since I stopped messing with them. Like in my older video, I was telling y'all how like I was thinking about getting my eyebrows microbladed because they were just like they weren't as full, you know. There were always some areas where there was no hairs and you know, they just didn't look good and even, you know. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get that done anymore because my brows are growing so much. The only thing I would think about doing is getting my brows laminated. So the only thing I would really do is just get them laminated to make them look very fluffy and fuller. So I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. Most likely I'm gonna try that out. Okay y'all, brows is on. Let me take a little break and drink my drink. Like these are so good y'all, these Ardell Gardens cold pressed juices. Like these are so good. I highly recommend if you're into like natural fruit juices, and I really am. So I really like this. I actually go to the store all the time downtown Atlanta and get their juices and their smoothies, and I recently found these in Publix, so I was really excited about that. These are so good. It's so refreshing. So I don't know, I just wanted to tell y'all. Okay, let's go ahead and conceal these brows. We are doing a full face chit chat right now because usually I don't include the brow part, like me doing my brows. I usually come on camera with my brows already done, concealed, ready, just ready to jump right into eyeshadow. And I be getting comments saying that some of y'all want to see, like, you know, or just include the brow part. And usually I just jump straight into eyeshadow because it saves more time, because I take a lot of time on my brows. So that's why I just like usually skip that part, and I upload like a separate brow video, like my updated brow routine. And my brow routine has been the same, y'all. I haven't switched up anything. It's the same thing. I'm still using the same pencil and concealer to clean them up, and the same brush. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills A4 brush, which I've been using forever, like for months, and I haven't switched up anything in my like brow routine. And I always just drag the concealer straight to my eyelids, and this is what I use as a primer. I use this for under my eyes too, and I really like this concealer. As a drugstore concealer, it's so much coverage and it's so creamy. If you're not into like thick, like heavy concealers, then I'm sure you wouldn't like this because it is a heavy concealer. It has a lot of coverage. Most things that have like a lot of coverage to it is a little heavier. It is drying, so when you do put it underneath your eyes or just conceal your brows, you want to do one side first, blend it out, you know, do your thing on that side first, and then go to the other side. Ooh, I just love a nice smooth base. This looks so smooth. Oh, it looks so good. Like I want to leave it like this. I've been so into just natural makeup, obviously, because y'all have not seen me do those crazy dramatic colorful looks. Like, that's what I first started off doing when I started my channel. Well, I was doing those more than like natural looks, but I don't know, y'all. But I'm gonna jump into some color in this video because I need to add some more color to my channel again. So I'm gonna use the Morphe, what's this, the 35M palette. So I think I tried to do looks with this before, but it never worked out. I don't know. And my daughter, I think she played in it a little bit. So yeah, I don't think I really used this palette. So this is the shade that I have chosen to use. Is this one that's right in the middle, and for the shade on the lid I'm thinking about using this one right here. And I'm just gonna slowly work myself into doing bright looks again. Like, start off with something a little more subtle, and then do my super dramatic, and then my colorful liners. Y'all know I used to always use them colorful eyeliners. I like this. I like this shade. This would be pretty if it was all over the lid too. But I don't want to keep doing like those all over the lid looks. I'm just sitting here rambling. Like, I just miss y'all so much. I have been gone for so long. And like, I don't want to speak on like what I was going through so much, but I just want to let y'all know, like, I'm doing much better mentally, physically, emotionally, all that. Like, I just feel great and I'm in a much better place. I think I was just dealing with too much stress. Like, for me, I just felt like it was so much getting thrown at me at once, you know, so it just caused me to break down. I just want like positivity all around me. Positive energy just come to me. That's all I want. I don't want no stress, no drama, like none of that. So I'm doing better. Thank you guys so much for all your support as always. I love y'all. Y'all were just there for me, and I don't have that a lot in my life, and it just felt good, you know, like that y'all are just so understanding. Y'all are always so positive, and I just love positive energy. In my last video I mentioned how I want to start this series. Like, I want to buy some new lighting. I got a new lens. I don't know when I'm gonna start the series, and I know y'all are gonna ask what lens I have now, and I finally bought it, y'all. I finally got the Sigma lens. Okay, it is beautiful. This is my mother baby, okay? I love this lens so much. I got the 30mm lens. Yeah, I'm gonna go into more detail about the price and all that other stuff, and probably like comparison in my tech talk series that I'm gonna do. Ended up packing that pink shimmering shade that I showed you guys that was next to the matte shade that I applied, and I'm just gonna pack this all over my lid. You guys should let me know in the comment section what kind of look you guys want to see next. If you want me to do an even more colorful look, or more soft glam looks, or more like go-to makeup looks. Alright you guys, so I already went ahead and put on my lashes, and I applied some eyeliner. I didn't know if I was going to do liner or not, but I was like, I haven't done a wing in so long. Still using my Essence matte liquid liner, and yeah, I'm so sorry I never film the part where I do my liner because I'm like this close to the mirror. But next time, y'all, I'm so sorry because I'm actually in a rush now to finish this video. So next time, I promise I'll do a whole how to do a wing liner video. If y'all want that, I'll film a whole separate video on that. And I applied these lashes. I don't know the name. I took it out the box and they were just sitting here. I took it out the box like months ago. The box been in trash. It's just been sitting on this in my lash drawer. And the number is still on here. I'm gonna I got it from the beauty supply store. That's all I remember. I don't know if they're Ardell lashes, but I'm going to find it and I will leave it down in the description box for y'all. So next, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Hydrating Primer. It looks like this. And I really love like Laura Mercier's primers. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub that in. I just love burgundy on my eyes. It definitely makes brown eyes pop. Like, it looks so pretty. I don't know, I feel like I do burgundy a lot. Why did I do this again? So I'm gonna go ahead with my foundation, and I'm using the Covergirl Trublend foundation in the shade T60. So I'm going to conceal with my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect concealer. Apply this on one side first and then blend it out and then do the other. Okay, I put a lot and I forgot how pigmented this is. I'm gonna quickly set underneath my eyes because I do not want any creasing. So I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Blondie, and I press in my powder and then like just keep dabbing underneath. It looks more flawless. I never bake. Like, ever since I first tried baking, I was like, no, this just doesn't work for me. So I've always been doing it this way. I mean, I felt like it makes your under eye look worse. Like, it makes it look bad. It makes it look super dry underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in my NYX highlight and contour palette. This is so old. So I'm gonna take these two shades right here and I'm gonna mix them together and contour my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup with the ABH Dewy Setting Spray. So while I let my face set, I'm gonna go in and just complete my eyes. I always do it in this order because I don't want to apply eyeshadow underneath here and mascara, and then when I spray my face, you know, most likely it's going to mess up. So I like to do it after. So to highlight, you guys, I'm going to use my CoverGirl, what is this called again? Trublend Super Stunner in the shade Gilded Glory. I love this highlighter so much. So I'm adding the Anastasia Beverly Hills Starfish liquid lipstick. So this is the completed look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Your girl is back doing the videos. So if you guys enjoyed this chit chat, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see y'all in my next video. Bye.